Want to open up a Ziedler Classic door station for repairs or maintenance? To do this, all you need is a standard Allen key with a hex size of 2.5 millimeters. See for yourself. Loosen the screws on the front plate using the Allen key, turning them anti-clockwise. Now take off the front plate from the front and fold out the small retaining plates. To close the door station, put the front plate back into place. To do this, first fold up the two small retaining plates. Using the Allen key, retighten the screws by turning them clockwise. The door station is now closed again.